2, 3. Hey guys, it's Lori with Cleo here, who owns Typewriter and Moss.
Hi.
We're on Commercial Street in downtown Auburn, and she's going to give me a
Yes.
quick tour of her
Oh, yeah.
store.
Absolutely. Come on, let's check it out. So I have my local published poetry items in here as well. We've got leather made locally, screen printed tees, 100% cotton and linen dresses. We've got jewelry, painted hats, a little bit of everything and everything. We've got prints as well. It's just a full creative explosion in here of
What's
local
up
artists and
here?
makers. We've got soap and other apothecary items. We've also got men's items as well. So anything from beard oils to leather goods like slim wallets, candles, ceramics, aromatherapy pillows, local poetry again. Yeah, just a little
And
bit of
there's all of the
everything.
artists, and there's more coming, right?
Yes. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
well, this store is super cute, and thanks for chatting with me.
Absolutely.
And you guys, if you want to see the full video with Cleo and I talking about her business and what she
Yes.
loves about Auburn, check it out on my YouTube channel, Living in Auburn.
Yes.
Have a great day.